Hello and welcome to the Happy Homemaker. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cheeseburger soup. Here is the list of ingredients. And now let's get started. We're going to be starting off by browning our meat and adding in our spices. Salt, garlic powder, oregano, basil, and some onion powder are the spices that I'm using. Once that's browned, I'm going to be adding in my vegetables and cooking that for about 10 minutes until they're softened. And once they're softened up a bit, I'm going to be adding in my minced garlic and cooking that for 30 seconds longer and then setting it aside. And now in another pot, we're going to be adding in our chicken broth and our potatoes. And then bring back our meat and vegetable mixture and add that to the pot as well. And we're just going to be boiling that until the potatoes soften. And once the potatoes soften, we're going to be getting our creamy cheese sauce ready. Add your butter and melt it. Once it starts to boil, add in your flour and cook for 60 seconds. After the time is up, we're just going to be slowly adding in our cream mixture and make sure to whisk continuously. If you find it a little bit too thick, you can add in the extra quarter cup of broth. Once all the cream is added and it boils and thickens up again, we're going to remove that from the heat and add in our shredded cheese. And just mix that together until smooth. And once that's all smooth, we're just going to be adding that to our soup mixture. And just mix that all together. And bring it back to a boil for a couple of minutes until it starts to thicken up again. And that's what it looks like when it's all finished. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and if you want to see more recipes like this, don't forget to subscribe to the Happy Homemaker. I also like to top mine with some sour cream and some extra cheese. You can also add a little bit of bacon as well if you want. Thanks for watching. Bye!